Hi parents, let me start with a story. A few months ago, a couple brought their 10-year-old son, Ethan, to my clinic. He was quiet, withdrawn, and barely made eye contact. His parents were worried. He had started refusing to go to school, saying he was not good at anything, and had become increasingly anxious around other kids. They told me, "We've always told him he's amazing. We praise him all the time. We tell him he's smart, special, talented, but it's like he doesn't believe us anymore." As I spent time with Ethan, a pattern began to emerge. He had internalized all the praise but not the confidence. He felt like he had to live up to being amazing all the time. And when he couldn't, when he failed a test, missed a goal in soccer, or didn't get picked for a group project, he felt crushed, not just disappointed, but ashamed, like he had let everyone down. Ethan wasn't lacking praise. He was lacking real self-esteem, the kind that comes from knowing your strengths, facing your weaknesses, and feeling loved no matter what. His story isn't rare. I see versions of Ethan every week. And that's why today, I want to talk to you about what self-esteem really is, and what we, as parents, often get wrong when trying to build it. Hi parents! Today, I want to talk to you about something we all care deeply about: our children's self-esteem. We want them to feel good about themselves, to be confident, resilient, and emotionally strong. But here's the truth. Many of us, with the best intentions, are building self-esteem in ways that don't actually work, and sometimes even backfire. Let's walk through what self-esteem really is, the common mistakes we make, and how we can do better, starting today. Part 1. Why self-esteem matters more than you think. Self-esteem isn't just about feeling good. It's about feeling worthy, capable, and loved. It's the emotional foundation that helps children try new things without fear, bounce back from failure, stand up for themselves, build healthy relationships. Think of it like the roots of a tree. If the roots are strong, the tree can weather storms. But if the roots are shallow, even a small wind can shake it. Part 2. The misconceptions parents often have about self-esteem. Let's be honest. Many of us grew up hearing things like, "You're so smart," or "You're special," and naturally, we repeat those phrases to our kids. But here's where things go wrong. Mistake number 1. Thinking self-esteem is just feeling good about yourself. Self-esteem isn't just about feeling good. It is about knowing your strengths and trusting your ability to handle life. If we only focus on making our kids feel good, without helping them build real skills or face challenges, we're giving them a fragile kind of confidence. Imagine telling your child, "You're amazing at math," but they keep struggling with homework. Over time, they'll either stop believing you or feel like a failure for not living up to the label. Mistake number 2. Believing young children already have a full sense of self-worth. Children under 7 don't yet have a global sense of self-esteem. They think in specifics. "I'm good at drawing. I'm bad at spelling." Asking a 5-year-old, "Do you feel good about yourself?" might just confuse them. Instead, we need to help them build positive self-perceptions in small, meaningful ways through everyday experiences. Mistake number 3. Treating self-esteem like a fixed trait. Self-esteem isn't something you either have or don't have. It's a journey, shaped by experiences, relationships, and how we talk to our kids. It grows, shifts, and deepens over time. Part 3. Common parenting mistakes in building self-esteem. Now, let's talk about what we often do, thinking we're helping, but actually making things harder for our kids. Mistake number 1. Overpraising without context. We say things like, "You're the best," "You're smarter than everyone," "You're perfect just the way you are." But when praise isn't tied to effort or reality, it loses meaning. Worse, it can create pressure. Kids start thinking, "If I'm not the best, will I still be loved?" For example, if your child gets a low grade after being told they're so smart, they might feel ashamed or confused. Instead of motivating them, the praise becomes a burden. Mistake number 2, focusing on feelings instead of actions. We comfort our kids by saying, "It's okay, you're still great," after a failure. But we forget to help them learn from the experience. Instead of just soothing, say, "I saw how hard you worked. That matters more than the result. What do you think you could try next time?" This builds resilience and a sense of control. Mistake number 3, ignoring the emotional role of family. Self-esteem isn't built in isolation. It grows in the soil of family love, presence, and acceptance. If we're too busy, distracted, or conditional in our love, kids feel it. A child whose parent misses every school event may start to believe they're not important. Even if you say, "I love you," your absence sends a louder message. Part 4. The P.A.S. model, a better way to build self-esteem. So what works? Let me introduce the P.A.S. model, a simple, powerful framework. P. Perception. Help your child build accurate, positive beliefs about themselves. You were really patient helping your little brother today. That shows kindness and maturity. A. Achievement. Let them experience real success, big or small. You practiced piano every day this week. That's dedication. Let's celebrate that effort. Support. Create a home where your child feels loved no matter what. Even when you mess up, I'm here. I believe in you. We'll figure it out together. When these 3 elements come together, self-esteem becomes strong, stable, and lasting. Self-esteem doesn't come from trophies or grades. It comes from knowing, deep down, I matter, I'm loved, I belong. In healthy families, parents have self-esteem themselves. Everyone supports each other. Mistakes are met with guidance, not shame. Optimism is the default mood. Respect is mutual, even when there's disagreement. When your child comes home with a bad grade, don't just say, "You can do better." Say, "I know this hurts. I'm proud of how you're handling it. Let's look at what we can learn." That's how you build a child who believes in themselves, even when life gets hard. Self-esteem isn't a destination. It's a lifelong journey. And as parents, we're not just guides, we're fellow travelers. Let's walk with our children, not ahead of them. Let's build their confidence, not with empty praise, but with love, truth, and shared growth. Because every child deserves to feel worthy, capable, and deeply loved. If this message resonated with you, if you've ever found yourself wondering whether you rebuilding your child as self-esteem the right way, know that you not alone. Parenting is a journey of learning, unlearning, and growing together. I invite you to subscribe to the Mindful Parenting channel so we can keep exploring these important topics side by side. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with another parent who might need it today. And most importantly, leave a comment below. Tell me, what part of this video spoke to you the most? Have you ever struggled with how to praise your child? Or maybe you have a story, like Ethan's, that you'd like to share. Your experience might be exactly what another parent needs to hear. Let's keep this conversation going. Because when we support each other, we raise not just better children, but a better world.